What's up, everybody? This is Stephen Palomino for the AOC2 Project 3 review. Term is 1402. I'm just going to be going over a few questions and also my code. Answering the first question, what did you do for your project? So this week we did an event app. This is the basic layout. There's just a text view, text field here. Then the label, UID picker, save and close keyboard. This add event links to the second view. So that is the basic flow. There's not a lot going on, so it's pretty simple. Here it is in the simulator. Clicking add event goes to the next event. You can type hi, close keyboard. Also, if you try to go anytime before today, before the date of today, it'll jump back. So yeah, and saving will send it back, and I've got the date and time, and then the message. So everything there works. Let me put this off to a side and go here through the code. It was pretty simple. First view controller, we just set up the custom delegate here that's declared here in the second view controller. We're just saying that this event is required, and I'm declaring that here, obviously, in the second view controller. I'm sorry, here in the first view controller where the delegate is being called. So here is the method. We're just telling it that the text that's going to be a list of events, which is the first the text view that contains the text. We're just going to be setting that with the string that's coming from the second view. So basically here we are, every time we save or click the save button, it's creating a date from an NS date from the date picker. We've got my various NS logs in here. Then we're formatting that date because I'm just getting the instead of getting this whole the full date, we're just getting I just wanted the month, day, year, and the time, as well as AM. So that's what this does. We're allocating, initializing the formatter, and then setting that, and then adding the that format to the date. So that is that, and then we're passing it back through the delegate. Passing that string through the delegate, and I am calling. I could pass a date through the delegate, but I'm passing that string. Then we're dismissing the view controller, and that's it. Once you click that button, it passes everything back and then dismisses the view controller. Another slog here. And then the close keyboard is just resigning the first responder. Right now the description view, where you type in the event that has first responder, so clicking the close keyboard just kind of gives that up. For view did load, this is my bit of code here for finding out what date it is now and how far you can go back. So initializing another, every time you go in there, just instantiating an NS date and setting the date to now. So date within a time interval since now 0, so we want now, and then setting the minimum to the current date. And I figured this out a few weeks ago. I thought it was awesome, just in case anybody watches this. Here's some free tips. But if you put the mouse over the some of the fields, you can't see it, it's on my other screen, but it gives you, I wonder if there's a little, if you put your mouse over, there it is, it'll come up with related methods here. It'll show you what you can use to get that minimum how you can programmatically set that. So that's where I got that from. I didn't have to Google. I go in to see if there's some fields that I can set programmatically, and so set minimum date. I got that date picker and set it to now. So that was way cool. And that's it. We're just doing the prepare for segue, connecting those two, and that is it. That it was super simple. We did something similar in AOC1, so it was I have a better grasp on delegates, protocols, and all of that. So it was a lot simpler to go through. And last question, what did you think you could have done better? I'll probably be next week adding a lot more to the user interface, just because it is a simple app. There's going to be a few more requirements next week, but I'm going to hit the user interface a little bit harder next week. But this was it for the Project 3 review. Thanks for watching.